Hey everybody, it's Eric. Welcome back to the channel. I know we focus a lot on short-term strategies here around SPX, but I wanted to show you something that was a little bit for longer-term traders, more like 1 or 2 week swing traders, let's call it that. And that's the weekly triumph rate from alphacrunching.com. And I'm showing you the historical table for the WTR. Now, real quick, the weekly triumph rate shows the historical percentage of times SPX has closed higher 1 week later over the past couple months. It's kind of a run-on sentence there, but let me kind of tell you what that means. So I'm looking at the week of April 14th, and the WTR for Monday is 43%. That means over the last couple of months, as of April 14th, the market has only closed higher the following Monday 43% of the time. So it's not even half. And we can see Tuesday was 44. Wednesday was 33. And then over the next couple weeks, we start to see these numbers improve. So this is kind of like a win rate heat map for the market for each day of the week specifically. So we can see that since April 14th, the numbers have slowly started improving. And now we're here at the end of July and the market is at an all-time high. Real quick, if we take a look at the SPX chart, we can see that this is when April 14th was, which was when the numbers were lower, 43%, and which makes sense because we were coming off basically a downtrend in March into April. So April, we bottomed, and as things started to look up, those numbers started to improve. And so one of the things we like to do is we trade a lot of 7-day spreads off of the historical table, looking for at least 50%, and then trading to the long side. And those trades are posted every week on the Trade Ideas tab. So check out the weekly triumph rate historical table when you get a chance, and I'll see you in the next video.